Oi, what is up, gents? I've done a bunch of work and pretty damn close to actually starting it. I will try to start it today. If I manage to start it today, you will see it at the end of the episode. There's the hook, you know that one. Hey. So yeah, guys, stick around. Hope you liked today's video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, help a brother out. And I will see you the next time. By the way, guys, let me know if you wanna see some action on this bad boy. Oh, this is a great moment. Let's see how this works. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna pick this bad boy apart. We're just gonna take them apart, clean them, and see if the membrane works properly. I'll probably break all of the bolts there, and I'll probably need to buy new carbs. Basically, I just clean them up and I think they look pretty good. They look pretty fresh. Don't ask me why I don't take the tubes off. It looks like they're so hard that it's gonna be only one time that I take them off. So we're gonna take this bad boy apart, hopefully. Hopefully not strip any bolts. You know how these things work. Nice. Wow, 8 out of 8. When does that happen? Oh wow, this one definitely has a hole in it. The membrane is still intact. I think this one's good. Oof. Oh, that's not great. And the floats, oof, that's rough. Resort to the trusty saw. This is like the perfect size. That's what she said. How does this look? As you would expect, pretty fucked. Right guys, we might not be as close as I thought to starting the bike. I went through the carbs. I found that one of the membranes is fucked, so I siliconed it with the sealant. I realized also that I'm missing paper things. How do you call it? The paper gaskets for the carbs as well. So can't do anything about that. Well, the next step between it is I need to put fuel petcock in the fuel tank. Now the bad thing, what happened is when I took the fuel tank off, the inside of the fuel tank came out of the tank, and this is from the inside of the tank, so that will be fun. Yeah guys, so next you'll see me fuck around with that one. Managed to mount the petcock. It even fits, because imagine or not, I forgot to check if it actually fits anywhere. Depends on where the fuel rail is on these bad boys. And it's on the right side. The fuel pipe from this side and that side. Oh, this is gonna be great. Better to be lucky than good. Alright, cabbages, what? That's it for today. The carb looks crazy good here. There's gonna be mushrooms growing in the carb. No, there's gonna be mushroom pod filters here, and it's gonna look excellent. Oh, look at that, this blue came out to life as well, amazingly. Stick around to see the next part. See ya! As far as I can tell, everything's connected. Now the battery is connected, way sketchy. I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to do it. Super difficult to access, and it's obviously an overlook on my side, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a key, and I think it should spin over. Let's put the key in and see if this blows up or not. Yes! Well, Lads, here's the problem of the day. This is the gear shifter thingy, and there's this joint. The thread on it is fucked. I can't really do anything about it. I'm gonna cut this off completely. I'm gonna use two nuts and a bolt in between. I'm gonna weld them in there, and I hope this is gonna hold it. I think it's gonna work. So the next thing I need to do is I need to make a line from the carb to the fuel tank, enter this bad boy in the middle, but yeah, it needs a fuel filter because there's a lot of rust here. So I also need to make this thingy from the intake to the fuel tank so that it pulsates and pulls fuel, and try to scavenge some more petrol from this bad boy. If everything goes well, we might hear this thing run. We'll see what happens. Let's go. I'm so excited. Alright guys, it's been a long way. It's been a long way. You've been waiting for long enough. I filled in some fuel. The sparks are terrible. It will probably not start, but it has more or less everything that it should need to start. So let's see if we can do that. I replaced the petcock, I placed a new battery, all the electronics are more or less connected, so let's see if we can get this started. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Hey, this by the way, it's an honest first start. You know how it works. I'll spin it over 150 times and it's gonna work, because I remember the previous time I tried to start it, it popped a couple of times on the brake lean. I think it should still start on this. So come on, bad boy. Oops, there's it. I can hear the battery shitting itself. Why? Well, no dice. Wow, what's going on with my hair? What? Anyways, I've decided to try again. I stole the battery from my SR250. Let's hope that this does it. I should really take out the sparks and have a look at those. Those are probably terrible. But let's try to first do this and we go from there. I think it was spinning too slow. Let's go. Alright, it's happening. But it starts and runs. I don't know if there's oil. Is that bad? It runs rough as fuck. It might not have oil in it. So let me check that. Well, we did it! And you got your start. I'm sorry about that. Oh, this is a great moment. Let's see how this works. Come on. Come on, baby. Yes, I know you all been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this for a while as well. Let me tell you that it's not running great. It doesn't rev at all. the plugs are terrible. There's basically no exhaust, so there's still a lot of stuff to work out, but we got here, and that's the best.